All the times to fly, pilots have a favorite, the golden hour, when the sun sits low and the whole world turns warm. Cruising along the coast now, the sun hanging just above the horizon. Watch the light, it softens everything. The haze, the water, the coastline sliding gently under the wing. The air at this hour is often calm and still, and the airplane seems to just float along. Pilot barely has to move the controls. Small corrections, a steady heading, and a view that keeps getting better. These are the minutes pilots fly for. No hurry, no noise, just light and sky and the coast. Minus 3 minutes of your day. Next, a young aviator takes the controls. Aviation Lab. Dream, learn, fly.